Imagine this: you've meticulously secured your crypto, stored on a sleek, seemingly impenetrable card. You've heard the promises: cold storage, offline security, virtually unhackable. But a nagging question lingers, a digital whisper in the back of your mind: can it really be hacked? Can a Tangem card, that bastion of offline security, be breached? We've all seen the headlines. Exchange hacks, online wallet breaches, the constant barrage of digital threats. It's enough to make anyone paranoid. And rightfully so. The world of cryptocurrency, while promising, is also a battleground. And in this battle, your private keys are the crown jewels. Tangem cards, with their promise of air-gapped security, seem like the perfect fortress. But are they? Let's break down the claims. Tangem boasts that their cards are resistant to physical and digital attacks. They emphasize the lack of internet connectivity, the secure chip embedded within, and the multi-signature capabilities. They've even gone as far as to publish security audits, highlighting the rigorous testing their cards undergo. All of this paints a picture of near impenetrability. However, no system is truly foolproof. The reality is that security is a spectrum, not an absolute. The question isn't can it be hacked, but rather, how difficult would it be? Let's consider the attack vectors. Physical attacks are a possibility. If someone gains physical access to your card, they could attempt to extract the private keys. While Tangem cards are designed to resist such attacks, with secure chips and epoxy resin layers, sophisticated attackers with specialized equipment might still pose a risk. Then there's the supply chain. Could a malicious actor tamper with the card during manufacturing or distribution? Tangem claims to have robust security measures in place to prevent this, but the risk, however small, cannot be entirely eliminated. Software vulnerabilities are another concern. While the card itself is offline, the Tangem app, used for setup and transactions, is not. If a vulnerability exists in the app, it could potentially be exploited to compromise the card. And what about side-channel attacks? These attacks exploit subtle information leaks, such as power consumption or electromagnetic emissions, to extract sensitive data. While Tangem claims its cards are resistant to such attacks, these are notoriously difficult to defend against completely. Furthermore, user error remains a significant factor. Even the most secure system can be compromised by careless handling. Losing your card, sharing your PIN, or falling victim to a phishing scam can all lead to devastating losses. So, can a Tangem card be hacked? The answer is a qualified yes. It's incredibly difficult, significantly more so than hacking an online wallet or exchange. The air-gapped nature, the secure chip, and the robust security measures provide a formidable defense. But, like any security system, it is not invulnerable. Ultimately, the security of your crypto depends on a combination of factors: the inherent security of the Tangem card, your own security practices, and the ever-evolving threat landscape. Staying informed, practicing good security hygiene, and understanding the risks are crucial. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.